it's Kiwi Customs and Collections, and I want to welcome all to another fine episode. And on this episode, I'm going to be doing this chap here. I'll move in close. That's a regular Action Man, but I've got myself a old school Action Man parachute here. If you can guess it, I'm thinking about making this guy here with the helmet into Ripcord, or my version of Ripcord. So, without further ado, let's see what we can do. Okay, so I've got the overall uniform of Ripcord, and I know it's not exactly the same as the original figure, but I kind of like this. I know it's got a hoodie, but pull that back. So I think the first thing I'm going to do is paint the hair the orangey colour, and I'm going to be using my makeshift, my custom paint of this orange. It wasn't it wasn't X6, but I added a bit of a touch of brown on that to make it a darker orange, which is be quite good for his hair, I believe. So I think I'll take off the top and then get straight into it. So I'll look at painting his head. And this may very well require a couple of coats. This is quite a simple custom for Ripcord right here. Basically, just change the hair colour, and away you go.
You say it's hard to tell just what I'm thinking. You think it's hard to see behind my smile. I'll say whatever you want, let you walk in my heart if you want to. You can ask me anything, no walls between us, ain't no mess. I'ma tell you all my secrets. You can ask me anything, no walls between us, ain't no mess. I'ma tell you all my secrets. No secrets.
Right, I'm going to carry on painting. I'm going to pause this right now, and I'll show you the end result for Ripcord once it's all done. Alright, so as you can see, the hair's all finished now. It's looking pretty mean. Maybe a little bit too glossy, but that's not a problem. And I put this shirt back on. So I think the next thing to do is put on the parachute pack on. And I believe this is the original SAS Action Man backpack, Action Man parachute, which is that's pretty cool. And that was given to me by a fan of the channel. And I thank you so much for that. Okay, so now we've got the helmet here and the oxygen mask. And that's sitting about there, so I need something to actually don't know what this is, but it looks pretty cool. So all I need to do is basically draw a hole into that. You draw a hole into that, and I'm already laughing. Right, give me a minute and I'll get some tools. Okay, so what I have here is a step drill, and my best bet is about 6 or 8 mils. So I'm going to drill this into here, right about in the centre. I'll probably go to the edge maybe, but centre's fine. And that, I'm happy with that. That looks like it's perfect. Maybe a little bit more, but yeah, that's a tight fit. That's what I want. Cool. Okay, I reckon if I just strap this around, let's take this mask off. I made a real good fit. So I've got the strap through here to the top part. And I probably need to do another little hole here. So right there, or does it? Yeah, I'll say there. Okay, so I've put the mask back on, so I can roughly see where it goes, and I think I need to make a mark about here. Now you probably don't see that, but I can, and I know what to do. I'll just get a little drill bit and drill through that. Okay, well, hope this works, because I'm shitting bricks. I think that's all I really need. Get me started. Yep, that's what it needs. Now I just need to trim off the excess. So take that off again. Now with a pair of scissors. That is good as gold. Let's undo the part. Except for the fact the mask seems to be rolling upwards. I probably need to get it in a bit more. You know, it's pretty good. I'm happy with that. Except for one thing. Got me some homemade dog tags. And don't forget this rifle. And here it is, my interpretation of Ripcord. Now, I know it's not exactly the same one as the original, but as I said, it's my interpretation, and I reckon it looks pretty good. I'll put the original Ripcord right beside over here, so you can kind of see that the colours aren't right. But you know, with the face mask on and all that, it looks pretty good. I actually quite like it. Hopefully that record can stay. The rifle isn't exactly the same too, but as I said, it's more of a modern interpretation of Ripcord. I'll just take him off and I'll show you up here. Like, that's his hair colour. So what I've done is pretty damn close. It's funny, actually his eyes are the same colour as his hair. Okay, I hope this works, because I'm shitting bricks. Well, it kind of worked. I just hear the height. Okay, everybody. This is Ripcord. Up close. As I said before, it's not the exact colour, but this is my interpretation of Ripcord. And as you can see, that's the Action Man SAS parachute, and that was kind of donated to me by another supporter of the channel. Thank you so much. My brain's gone all AWOL and I've forgotten your name, but you know who you are, and I thank you so much. You can see here it's got the homemade dog tags. Dog tags I've got them done at work, and it really looks the part. Yeah, I'm happy with this guy. Really good. I made the makeshift oxygen sort of tank just out of something that I had sitting around, and it sort of fit perfectly on his chest and didn't really get in the way. The rifle isn't exactly the same as the original figure, but it's close enough. So I'm going to put him down, and then I'll add him to my collection somewhere because it's starting to get quite full. But I will find rooms sooner or later. So once again, people, thank you so much for sticking around and watching the end of this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell up here, which that's not really a bell, but it's just telling you hit the notification bell. It's the Kiwi ingenuity. Cheapo. Anyway, with that, it's time for me to say, Yo, Joe. And see ya.